These birds are raised in controlled environments, designed for consistency and care. Nutrition is precisely managed to ensure uniform growth.
Hydration systems operate continuously, monitored for reliability.
Daily health checks ensure only quality birds move forward.
Climate systems maintain optimal growing conditions.
Human oversight remains essential in automated farms.
When harvest day arrives, preparation begins early.
Transport equipment is sanitized before every use.
Bird handling is designed to minimize stress. Once secured, the flow never stops. Transport timing is synchronized with factory intake. Logistics bridges farm and factory. Every shipment is documented and verified. The journey to processing has officially begun. From farm to factory, timing and care remain critical. Ventilated transport protects bird welfare in motion.
Stability reduces stress during travel.
Conditions are monitored even on the road.
The factory district comes into view.
Arrival is carefully controlled.
Every delivery is verified before entry. Only approved loads move inside.
Internal logistics guide every movement.
Precision positioning ensures safety.
The factory prepares to receive.
Teams synchronize for immediate transfer.
The handoff begins. The handoff begins.
Flow moves from transport to process. Processing begins the moment transport ends. This is where scale, speed, and precision converge. Every entry point is engineered for flow. Outside ends, processing begins.
The receiving hall sets the pace.
All inputs unify into one controlled stream.
Human checks reinforce automation.
Orientation ensures efficiency downstream.
Vertical movement saves valuable floor space.
Transfer zones protect consistency. Hygiene controls begin immediately.
The heart of processing comes into view.
Infrastructure supports every second. Flow is redirected with precision. Everything pauses for the next step.
Initial processing is about to begin.
The first internal transfer begins with control.
Movement is guided, never rushed. Surface cleaning begins immediately.
Gentle washing protects product integrity. Nothing is left unmanaged.
Trained eyes verify every step.
Data-driven sorting ensures consistency. Each bird is routed with purpose. Only approved flow continues forward. The primary line advances. Airflow completes the cleaning stage. Final rinses prepare the surface. Timing is everything in mass production.
The system prepares for transformation.
The next phase begins now. Here, raw input meets industrial precision. Automation standardizes every movement. Flow is continuous and uninterrupted.
Conditions are tightly regulated. Every mechanism performs a single exact task.
Cleanliness is engineered into motion. Human oversight confirms machine accuracy.
Alignment ensures uniform processing. Consistency defines industrial scale.
Byproducts are handled instantly. Clean processing never pauses. Precision is constantly refined.
Synchronization maximizes efficiency.
Core processing hands off control. The next transformation awaits. This is where preparation becomes product.
Uniformity is engineered at speed.
Technology verifies every cut. Nothing valuable is wasted. Flavor preparation begins here. Time and motion work together. Consistency defines the flavor profile. Efficiency extends to every resource. Texture is carefully constructed. Every surface is evenly covered. Excess falls away. Excess falls away. Balance remains. Recovery is part of the system.
Human judgment confirms machine work.
Automation takes control next.
The system prepares for precision at scale. Automation now drives absolute precision. Machines repeat perfection without fatigue.
Eyes powered by algorithms never blink.
Decisions happen in milliseconds. Scale is achieved through duplication.
Balance keeps production flawless.
Preparation continues before heat. Microclimates shape the final result. Precision begins with spacing.
Data confirms every second of output.
Sanitation never interrupts flow. Backup systems ensure zero downtime. Speed adjusts to demand.
Automation hands-off control. Automation hands-off control.
Final refinement begins here. This stage perfects what automation prepared. Appearance matters at scale.
Perfection is measured in millimeters.
Efficiency leaves nothing behind. Texture is engineered, not accidental. Balance prepares the finish. Control extends to every drop. Human judgment confirms precision. Standards are enforced instantly. Accuracy is verified one last time.
Everything moves as one.
Final checks come next.
Verification defines trust.
Every result must be certain.
Science validates the process. Quality is proven, not assumed.
Random sampling protects consistency.
The smallest detail matters.
Safety begins at the core.
Texture is measured scientifically.
Finish must hold under pressure.
Invisible risks are addressed.
Results arrive in minutes.
Formulation is tightly controlled.
Every batch tells a traceable story.
Only approved product moves forward. Control includes rejection. Cleanliness is continuously audited.
Authorization unlocks the final stage.
The product is ready for the world.
The final stage transforms food into product.
Precision defines every pack. Each bag carries the same promise. Freshness is locked in.
Traceability travels with every unit.
Individual units become bulk supply. Scale is organized and controlled. Temperature preserves quality.
Inventory waits under strict control.
Timing completes the system.
The final handoff begins.
Cold chain integrity is maintained.
And this is how modern factories produce KFC chicken from start to finish. Industry moves the world forward.
Comment what's next. Subscribe. Like.